How to install the slot 2-inch and 4-inch node direct surface from Mark Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. We recommend having these submittal drawings on hand at the start of installation. With slot node, create a wide range of patterns with our 2-inch and 4-inch corner nodes. First, prepare the slot surface track by laying out all components on a clean, flat surface and identify each section of the track and corner nodes. Next, remove the lens and slowly pry the lens away from the fixture. To remove the reflector, unscrew 4 number 8 screws from the linear sections. To install the node connectors to the different sections, utilize the provided slide aligners, node joiners, and aligner keys. First, install aligner keys onto the node joiner. The bump on the aligner keys should face the extrusions of the linear sections. Half of the aligner key should be exposed to insert them into the linear sections. Before connecting the sections together, connect the wires between the linear sections and the node joiners. Now, install the slide aligners by sliding them into the appropriate slot on the node joiner. Join the linear sections together by engaging the latch to the hook. Pull on the end of the latch toward the node joiner to connect it. Next, pull the conduit from the ceiling to the first section and secure it to the housing by using a jam nut. From below the fixture, secure the sections to the ceiling with 1/4-inch bolts on all ends of the fixture run, including the node connectors. Next, connect the wires together. To complete the installation, insert the reflectors back into the housings and secure them with number 8 screws. Finally, gently push the lens back into the housing and snap it into place. Experience design in motion with the Slot 2 and Slot 4 node. To learn more about our node corner options and our slot linear fixtures, visit marklighting.acuitybrands.com.